see it.
I know.
It's lifting the ball up.
I know. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah.
Start over again.
There's a thing right here, and it had lines, and the ball is floating over it.
Alright, that's it.